Today I'm going to show you how to add a stroke to an image in CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a really easy effect to create, and it can make your images pop off the screen, whether you're making YouTube thumbnails, short-form content, or any kind of social media edit. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the image you want to work with. You can do this by dragging the image directly into your project, or by using the import option inside the app. Once your image is added, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start editing it. Now click on the image clip in the timeline. This is important because it opens the editing menu, and you'll find the tools you need in the top right corner of the screen. When the editing options appear, look for the Remove BG tab. This is where CapCut gives you background removal tools that are really useful for adding outlines and strokes. Inside the Remove BG menu, toggle on Auto Remove. CapCut will automatically remove the background from your image, which is the key step before adding a stroke. Once the background is removed, your image will have a cleaner cutout look, and the outline effect will show much better around the edges. After that, stay in the Remove BG menu and click on Stroke. This is the option that adds the outline around your image. You'll usually see different stroke styles or colors available, so choose the one that fits your design best. If you want a bold thumbnail style, a bright or contrasting stroke works really well. If you want something more subtle, pick a softer outline color. Next, adjust the thickness slider until the stroke looks right. A thicker stroke makes the image stand out more, while a thinner stroke gives it a cleaner and more minimal look. Take a moment to preview it and make sure the stroke balances well with the rest of your design. If needed, you can fine-tune the thickness until it feels perfect. And that's it! You've now added a stroke to an image in CapCut. This is a super useful trick for making your visuals more professional and eye-catching in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.